Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of data structures. So today I'm going to tell you how we can execute a linear search program. For that, let's open our Turbo C++ application. So let me tell you, basically our linear search program is also known as sequential search because here you search your key element one by one sequentially. Not we don't pick up the key element directly between the array or from the first or from the last. We sequentially move and we search our array. So let's open our file, and I have saved that file with the name lslinearsearch.c. So you can see here this is a program for linear search. So I'll tell you how we can execute it. I'll explain you the program, each and every line, and I'll show you the output also. So let's start with the explanation part. So first of all, the two basic header files, that is stdio.h and conio.h. Now from here you can see our main program is starting. Now in this main program what we are writing is, first of all, we are declaring some variables, an array of data type int. So array of size 20, then n, I and key. So these are the variables which we are declaring and will be using in this program. Now you can see here this is clr function, which is used to clear the output screen each and every time, and which is basically in the conio.h header file. So now you can see here printf, we are using printf function to print the data onto the output screen. So what I am writing here is enter the size of array. So the user will select the size of an array. So this value will be scanned by the scanf function from the main memory, and here we are using %t as it will be the integer variable. Now again I am using printf function. So what we are writing in printf function is enter the array elements. So now the user will enter the array elements. So for that we are using the for loop, where I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So n is your size, so I should be less than your size of an array. Now using scanf function we'll read the values which will be given by the user. Now you can see here again we are using printf function. So here I'm searching, I'm writing enter the key element to be searched. So here the user will enter the key element that needs to be searched, and using scanf function we'll search the key element. Now again I'm using here for loop, I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So if key is equal to a of I, so if the key value matches the a of I, so I is 0 right now. So what if condition is saying, if the key value matches with the first element or the first index of an array, printf element is found at %d index and read the value of I, break. And again I'm using one more if condition. So if I is equal to n, so if I reaches is equal to n, means the size of an array. If I is equal to reaches the size of array, the element is not found in your particular list. So get ch, and here you can close your main program. So now let's run this program. So you can see here there are no errors, so directly it is move on to the output screen. So let's enter the size of an array as 5. So enter the array elements. So we'll search there. So first of all we'll enter the elements 56, then 34, 67, 89, then 45. Now I'll enter the key element to be searched. So let's search for 67. So you can see here the element is found at 2 index. Why is it at 2 index? Is because the array starts from 0. So 56 will be at 0th index, then 34 will be at 1st index, and 67 will be at 2nd index. So this is how you execute your program for linear search, and this is how you search your key elements sequentially one by one. So this was all about your linear search. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.